Okay, what we have here today is an Oliver gravity table. And this is an old Oliver gravity table that we've reconditioned, all new bearings. It is an Oliver 5B, serial number 1158. This is when Oliver was in St. Louis, Missouri. Don't know the exact year of that, but this is when he was still working and making them a triangular deck. We've been running wheat on it. This is a little fellow. We got our separations here. The good heavy wheat comes up here to the top. The light, chaffy, shrivelly kernels, Balmotoxin kernels. See that pink one there? Being separated. When we fire it up, you won't be able to hear me talk. They're a little noisy. And then you got your spouts here for your different grades. Unit runs on a 3-horse single-phase motor. You've got deck tilt this way. You've got speed on the other side. Speed adjustment of the shake right here. You got deck raise here. And this crank runs the air, how much air you have underneath. This is the stone trap, and we made this little bucket here to catch the stones. When it's running, you just open this up and drop out a few stones. You'll see them right in here. They will collect if we have any. When we have the wheat cleaned off of the deck, you'll be able to see it better. This machine's pretty amazing. It may be old, probably from the 40s, and I'd have to ask Oliver. It could even go back to the 30s. But the principles of the gravity separator are still the same. The heavy material is going to walk uphill. Bad material is going to stay down at the bottom of the hill. Showing the deck cleaned off. On these older units, we've found that they use these ridges here. It seems to make it separate better, I guess. Anyway, this unit works for its age, works real good. And it's been completely reconditioned. All new bearings. It's very important to have the gravity mounted down. Now, for testing purposes, we've got 2 forklifts, one on each side, holding it in position. But if you're running this on an operation, it has to be mounted to the floor solid. And it needs to be fed from a bin in this corner here. We will be feeding it with a bucket just for this video, but that is not how you are to run it. It will perform better if it's mounted solid and you have a bin feeding it. As you will see it running, bad feed. A nice heavy seed. heavy, high quality wheat. Got vetch in it, but that doesn't hurt it. This might be your middlings here. You would recirculate that maybe, depending on what you want to do with it. It might go right into the number 1 feed. There are 4 different grades on your wheat, or any other cereal grains you're running.